What's up, guys? Frankenstein Fabrications here. Finally doing my first video on my new phone. The last new phone I got was the Samsung Galaxy S7 or something. I don't know. It's about four years ago, 5 years ago, something like that. So finally I broke down, since I got my business going. I broke down and actually got a phone through my business. So I got all the bells and whistles, I guess. But anyway, so as you guys know, I did the inside of the cab, and yeah, I had some, I'm going to assume some recoat reaction right here in this corner and over there in that corner, if you can see it. See all that? I'm assuming, since it's just right there, that it's, well, there and over here in this corner, the two corners there, that it was something in the corner. I don't know. It's just the clear that did it. The candy base is fine. So I'm going to sand all this down. I got this side done, so I'm going to sand that down. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some tape right along there, that body line, and then I'm just going to redo this part here around the window and get it back to looking gorgeous like the dash is. So that's where we're at right now. I suppose check us out on Facebook and Instagram and all that stuff, and like, subscribe, and all that stuff. If you go over to YouTube, it'd help me out. I appreciate it. I'll talk to you guys later.